Hey you! Yes, all of you. Did you know that our Earth is made of a lot of chemical compounds or molecules that are constantly moving and transferring to make up the Earth the way it is? These are molecules like protein, carbohydrates, fats, carbon dioxide, oxygen, sugar, calcium carbonate, bicarbonate, fossil fuels, and methane. But instead of showing you on a global scale, I'm going to show you on a smaller scale, like our eco-columns. The basics that most of us know is that the air has oxygen, or O2, and carbon dioxide, CO2, in it. Most of us also know that water is called H2O. But if we look deeper, we can see that carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, and hydrogen come together to form protein, like RNH2, carbohydrates, CH2O, fats, like CHO, but they don't, which make up things like snails, and deer, and plants. Another process you will find as you go deeper is photosynthesis, which means that plants will take in water, or H2O, and CO2, and make those biochemicals like sugar, or CH2O, and let out oxygen, or O2. So basically, we breathe in plant farts. Us animals also use the air, but we use it to burn sugars in our body, and we release H2O, or water, and CO2, or carbon dioxide, back into the air for the plants. Us animals also eat others to get the biochemicals we need to break down into smaller biochemicals for energy, like the snail eats the algae to get the energy that they need. Though we are made of molecules, so are rocks. Rocks like these are made out of a compound called CaCO3, or calcium carbonate, just like the shells on that snail, or pearls, which we don't have in our ecosystem. Shells are helped made in water because of the HCO3, basically carbonated water, and in return the shells let out carbonate in the water. Another thing happening is that decomposers will use the oxygen to break down animals and plants' bodies, like bacteria will on this praying mantis, and let out CO2 back into the air. But if the praying mantis wasn't broken down, and say it was covered by a layer of soil, had pressure exerted on it, it could compress into being a fossil fuel, like RCH3, or coal, or become a natural gas like oil. When we burn these, it combines with the oxygen in the air and makes kind of like carbonated oxygen air. This could also happen in the water. So like if this snail died, it could let out CO2 into the water. And if it fell down and it stayed compressed for long enough, it can turn into a fossil fuel like RCH. Well, that's all I have to say, so thank you for watching my video.